Excellent, excellent, excellent. You missed them? Okay, that's okay. We're gonna go take a look at where you got them, okay? You have the gun, I have the gun. Let's go see what you did. We forgot to mark one of them. So in that time, you got 2 shots on target. And that's what we're really observing, okay? How many on target? Excellent job. Really excellent job. All right, shooter ready. Stand by, 6 shots, right? Bill drill, 7 yard. Cautious first, bill drills. Stand by. Excellent, excellent, Ka. Safety on. 609. 609. Let's go see what you did. Did you get all of those on target? Dude. Ka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So technically that one is outside of the line, but that is so okay. That is okay. You got 5 shots on target in 609, and let's take a look at your splits. So your first shot came in 184, 64-second split. Then you had that long pause. I think you were trying to find your dot maybe, and it was 124. Then 0.67, 0.92, 0.78. You should be proud of yourself. Excellent job. 1 shot, then 4 shots. Shooter ready. Get rid of that space between your thumbs. Stand by. Excellent, excellent. Let's go see how you did. Safety on, safely reholster. Good job, excellent job. So that one, look at this one. Oh, I feel like that's a line break. You don't think so? Look at it. Come take a closer look.
No, it's not.
See how it's breaking the line? I feel like that's a line break personally, but okay. And then 1, 2, 3, and that was the other one. That time was 794.